When plants make sugars, their excess sugars are stored either as starch or in the production of cellulose. Now, what happens to those sugars? Cellular respiration takes sugars, in this case glucose, and produces carbon dioxide, water, and ATP or energy. Three stages in this process: glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and electron transport chain or oxidative phosphorylation. So here's a general equation. Glucose in the presence of oxygen, it's an aerobic reaction to produce carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. So the three stages: glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and the electron transport chain. At each of these, ATPs are produced. So let's take glycolysis. The main ingredient, glucose, and after this process finishes, your end result, two molecules of pyruvic acid, as well as two ATPs. Your second stage, citric acid cycle, here you produce two electron carriers, NADH and FADH2. You also produce two ATPs, and carbon dioxide is produced as well. Lastly, your third stage, we use your NADH and FADH2 electron carriers, and then from here, ATPs are produced, probably about 32 to 34 ATPs. So you get more ATPs produced in this stage rather than the citric acid cycle or glycolysis. Now, when there is a lack of oxygen, anaerobic respiration takes place. However, only a small amount of ATPs are produced, only two. And this occurs during anaerobic fermentation. You also get some during lactic acid produced when muscles use up all the oxygen. Now, where does this take place? Cellular respiration? It takes place in the mitochondria. As you see here, sugars and oxygen, input, carbon dioxide, water, and ATP produced.